this is Mrs. Gutierrez. I am so excited for school year 2021. I know it's different, but we are in this together. For all of those who are already my students, please make sure that you're checking at your CISO. I will be sending you a video. If that doesn't work for some reason, I will be calling someone in your family so that we can schedule something together. I am really excited to see you. I have missed you so much. Hola, buenas tardes. Soy la señora Gutiérrez, soy la trabajadora social de Burton. Para aquellos que están ya en mi caseload, que son mis estudiantes, por favor chequen su CISO. Les voy a estar mandando un video. Y si eso por alguna razón no funciona, les voy a estar marcando a su familia para que podamos hacer una cita para hacer nuestras sesiones. For all of those who are not in my caseload and would like to talk to you, would like to talk to me or someone about your feelings or your emotions or your behavior, please make sure to contact your teacher and they will talk to me and I will call you as soon as possible. Para todos aquellos que no están en mi caseload o que no son mis estudiantes ya, y les gustaría hablar sobre sus emociones o su comportamiento, sus sentimientos, por favor comuníquense con su maestra. Ella me dirá a mí y yo les marcaré en cuanto me sea posible.